2021 Fiat 124 Spider Review, Expected Release Date, Prices, MPG, and Performance. To a certain extent, the Fiat 124 Spider stands at a position of advantage for few patrons. With cars today becoming more than just means to travel from point A to point B, the experience is no more limited to just driving anymore. And if there's any car right now that can deliver on driving joy, the Fiat 124 Spider should be counted as one of the best there is. It's not about numbers anymore. The 124 Spider has aged quite gracefully, and it will sit poised at your garage, arousing the same temptation to drive that it did in the 60s. Whether it's those teardrop-shaped headlights or that old-school manual cover top, the 2021 124 is more of a testament to that statement. You have no idea how things were back then. Will there be a 2021 Fiat 124 Spider? Well, the 2020 model is still available and Fiat hasn't announced any plans about a new car. So, as of now, the 2021 124 Spider will be a carryover. As far as changes and additions are concerned, it will be minimal. Fiat would not want to change much in a car that at one point will become a sought-after vintage design. There will be small inputs like the strip on the steering wheel, an abundance of Abarth inscriptions and badges throughout the car for enthusiasts to seek out. Aside from that, the premise of this classic will stay the same. What's new in the 2021 Fiat 124 Spider? Minor updates and slight tweaking. What engine will the 2021 Fiat 124 Spider get? All four, Classic, Urbana, Lusso, and Abarth, trims get the same 1.4L turbocharged engine, but the sportier Abarth gets minor tweaks in the form of more power. Fiat will continue with the multi-air engine, which has been hailed to as the ultimate air management strategy. By controlling the air intake to individual cylinders stroke by stroke, Fiat has managed to extrapolate the most out of the minimum. It not only optimizes and cuts down on fuel consumption but also enhances performance with a steady rise in power as quickly as possible. The standard 6-speed manual transmission shifts in a more lively manner, and that should be retained, as opposed to the automatic transmission, which in all honesty does kill the thrill a bit. Base MSRP $25,390. Engine 1.4L i4. Transmission 6-speed manual. Horsepower, HP at RPM, 160 at 5,500. Torque, HP at RPM, 184 at 3,200. 0 to 60, seconds, 6.4. Quarter mile, seconds, 17.6. The Fiat 124 Spider might not be the most powerful of the lot, but it does offer great value for money. However, Fiat's 184 lb-foot torque output makes it the most fun to drive convertible, where Miata and Cooper don't even stand a chance. The Nissan, on the other hand, with a pricier tag, gets a V6 that makes it the faster in the lot, on paper. How does the 2021 Fiat 124 Spider drive and handle? The performance will not be compromised in the 2021 Fiat 124 Spider. In fact, despite the Italian-Japanese friendship, Fiat has managed to make it stand apart from the Miata with several additions of its own. Especially, when it comes to the Abarth trim. If seen in the table above, it might come across as a slow car, with 17.6 seconds to reach 100 miles per hour. Yet, when accelerating the 124 Spider, it will sound better courtesy the record Monza exhaust system, something that is missing in the MX-5. Fiat also manages to fill the half-empty cup by installing limited slip differential, which helps the car to slide and drift at command. And with 164 horsepower at the tap, the Fiat manages to get away with just more than some slides. And last but not the least, the sport switch that can be found on the 124 Spider only, with the manual gear setup, just makes things more interesting and faster. Both of these are not present in the Miata.